This is the Joby GorillaPod mobile vlogging kit. I'm Josh Smith, GuttyMobile.com, and I'm filming on this setup, which includes a GorillaPod tripod, includes a microphone off to the side, a mini LED, and a phone holder that works in portrait or landscape. And so right now I'm holding it in my hands, kind of out with the bottom crooked towards me. I'm gonna walk over and I'm gonna point it at the Toyota Tundra that's behind me, and you're gonna be able to see what this setup looks like. So here you can get a little bit of a look, and I'm filming this on a camera attached to this. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and over here is my microphone with a dead cat on it, which you can remove. It's handy outside to cut down on wind noise, and because this is a small shotgun microphone, it's gonna pick up my voice more than the noise around me, which is really handy if you're doing this on the go. Then we also have our LED light over here, and these arms all move around. So I will switch and put in some footage of this that I've shot on a different device so that you can see what this looks like. But right now, everything that you're hearing and seeing is coming off of the iPhone 11 Pro Max and attached to the microphone. I'm not using the light because I'm outside right now. There's 5 levels of brightness. It's very bright and it can really light you up pretty well. There's a diffuser, which is on it right now. It has a magnetic mount, so if we swivel this off, then we're able to go ahead and stick that back and put it somewhere, stick it on some metal, and there you can see the light with some Joby branding. It charges via USB-C, which is right under this cover. It's water resistant, waterproof, up to 30 meters. Has a very rugged case. There's 2 mounts that you can use to attach additional accessories, and then you have buttons here that you can use to control the brightness. So this is a really nice light. It's from BMO, and it is included with this, everything you need to start using it. Here's an example of the iPhone in landscape mode. I've just swiveled that around, and you'll see there's a little bit of action behind me. There's an older truck that's backing out, and so there's a lot of noise, but you might not be hearing as much of it because the dead cat is on, and also because I am close to the shotgun mic, so it's gonna pick that up more than the sounds around me. You're still gonna get a little bit of environmental noise, but what's nice about this setup is you're able to really control the audio much more than you can just using the audio that's in your phone. Now, this is all handheld. Smartphones have a lot of stabilization, so while there is still some use for a gimbal or something like that, if you're getting started, this setup, which is $199.95, is really great because you get a light, you get a microphone, you get a stand, and with this stand, I'm able to use it handheld, hold it out, get a pretty decent view of what's going on, but it's a GorillaPod, so I can attach it to something. So what's nice about this is I found a post, I've attached the GorillaPod to it. It's not a flat surface, I've wrapped it around it, and it's secured, and so now I can talk, I can get a little bit of distance, and I can use my hands while I'm doing something. Say I want to show you the light again, I can do this. So whether you're making tech videos, travel videos, you really get everything you need in a under $200 setup. All you need to bring is your phone. With the second arm, you're able to mount a GoPro or some other accessory to it, so there's a lot of flexibility. And another thing I really like about this setup is it can grow with you. So if you upgrade your phone, you can use this. If you switch to a small camera, you can still use this setup. You may need to invest in a different tripod adapter in the middle. Or if you go on to bigger things, you can still use this microphone and this light and hook that up to a bigger tripod that you might use in a studio. And this could become a second camera angle. So there's lots of flexibility. At $199.95, there's a ton of value. And if you're trying to figure out, oh, hey, what do I do in 2020? I'm trying to find, some kind of hobby, or I think I want to make YouTube videos. It's a great way to bring great lighting and great audio directly to the videos that you're creating. And you can use the phone you already have, so pretty inexpensive way to get started and really up the quality of your videos. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. That helps us out. I'll have a link down in the description below to where you can buy this. You can get it at Joby, you can get it at a couple other retailers. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.